Hi, my name is Becky O'Neill, and I am your instructor for Pathophysiology and Pharmacology 2. And I am really excited to get started with all of you this Friday morning at 7:40 a.m. We will meet in the lab, and our plan is to go over general IV topics. So we'll talk about calculating IV infusion rates in mils per hour. We will talk about calculating how long it will take for an IV fluid to infuse completely. We'll talk about programming the pump, the electronic infusion device that you guys will see in the hospital, and just general IV fluids, some of the reasons that they might be used, and identifying them, what they look like, and figuring out what to call them as nurses. So Friday's going to be a great day, and I really am excited to start this phase of the program with you guys. I do want to remind you that this semester is different than any semester that we've ever experienced as instructors, and probably that you've ever experienced as students. And so I just want you to know that we are in this together, and I'm hoping that we can give each other a lot of grace as we navigate this difficult time in the middle of a pandemic. I wanted to share with you something that's really helped me, just to offer it. One of my favorite verses is in Psalm 56. And in Psalm 56, David is being pursued by his enemies. They are chasing him down, and there's a lot of stress. I'm pretty sure that this was not a quiet and peaceful time in his life. And in verse 3, David says, "When I'm afraid, I put my trust in you." And that's what I plan to do. When I feel afraid or anxious or worried about how things are going or what's coming up, I want to put my trust in God, because I know that God has got this. He is bigger than anything that we are facing. And even more than that, He cares for each one of you. And so I want you to know that from the time of David to now, when we are afraid, we can put our trust in a God that is bigger than anything that we're facing. I'm I'm so excited to see you Friday morning at 7:40 in the lab.